Hey travelers, whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, packing can always be a bit of a challenge. But worry not, because today I'm sharing 10 essential travel packing tips to help you pack smart and travel light. These tips will make your trips more enjoyable and stress-free. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Make a packing list. This might sound simple, but it's a game changer. A packing list ensures you don't forget any essentials and helps you stay organized. Start your list well in advance of your trip. Break it down into categories like clothing, toiletries, electronics, and important documents. There are also plenty of apps available that can help you create and manage your packing list digitally. Tip number 2. Choose the right luggage. The type of luggage you bring can significantly affect your travel experience. Think about the nature of your trip and select luggage that is durable, lightweight, and suitable for your destination. For a city break or a business trip, a rolling suitcase might be ideal. If you're going on an adventure or moving between multiple destinations, a durable backpack could be more practical. Make sure your luggage is easy to carry and meets airline size requirements. Tip number 3. Pack light. It's tempting to overpack, but carrying less can make your travels much more comfortable. Aim to pack only what you need and leave behind anything non-essential. Lay out everything you think you'll need, then halve it. Choose versatile clothing items you can mix and match. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and reduce wrinkles. Remember, you can always do laundry during your trip if needed. Tip number 4. Use packing cubes. These handy little organizers can transform the way you pack. They help keep your suitcase neat and make it easier to find what you need. Packing cubes come in various sizes, so you can use them to separate your clothing, toiletries, and other items. For example, use one cube for shirts, another for pants, and a small one for underwear and socks. This not only keeps your suitcase tidy, but also makes unpacking at your destination a breeze. Tip number 5. Limit toiletries. Toiletries can take up a lot of space and add extra weight. Instead, bring only the essentials and consider using travel-sized bottles. Most hotels provide basic toiletries like shampoo and soap, so you don't need to bring full-size products. Use small, refillable bottles for your liquids and pack only what you need. Remember the 3-to-1-1 rule for carry-ons. Liquids must be in containers of 3 ounces or less, placed in a 1-quart size clear bag, and you can only have 1 bag per person. Tip number 6. Pack a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe consists of a few essential items of clothing that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Choose neutral colors and versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. For example, pack a pair of jeans, a few t-shirts, a sweater, and a couple of dressier items. This way, you can create various looks without overpacking. Accessories like scarves and jewelry can also help change up your outfits. Tip number 7. Use a personal item wisely. Airlines usually allow you to bring 1 carry-on and 1 personal item. Make the most of your personal item by choosing a bag that can hold your travel essentials. Pack items you'll need during your flight or while on the go in your personal item. This includes your passport, tickets, electronics, a book or tablet, snacks, and any medications. Having these items easily accessible can make your travel day much smoother. Tip number 8. Bring a travel first aid kit. It's always a good idea to be prepared for minor injuries or illnesses while traveling. Pack a small kit with essentials like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, motion sickness tablets, and any prescription medications you might need. This can save you a lot of hassle if you encounter minor health issues on your trip. Tip number 9. Protect your valuables. Keeping your valuables safe while traveling is crucial. This includes your passport, money, electronics, and important documents. Consider using a money belt or a neck wallet to keep your passport, cash, and credit cards secure. Always lock your suitcase and, if possible, use a travel safe for added security. It's also a good idea to make copies of important documents and keep them in a separate place. Tip number 10. Prepare for the unexpected. Travel can be unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared for any surprises. Pack a portable charger to keep your devices powered up. Bring travel insurance documents in case of emergencies, and consider carrying a small umbrella or a rain jacket. Having these extras can save you from unexpected inconveniences and ensure a smoother trip. And now, a few bonus tips to take your packing game to the next level. First, try the bundle wrapping method for your clothes. This technique minimizes wrinkles and saves space. Next, use dryer sheets or packing cubes with a fresh scent to keep your clothes smelling nice. Finally, place heavier items at the bottom of your suitcase and lighter items on top for better balance. Packing smart can make your travel experience so much more enjoyable. By following these tips, you can avoid overpacking, stay organized, and be prepared for anything your trip might throw at you. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to SmartNTricky, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.